Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Howlogical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a straight line in your Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to draw a straight line, you just simply have to open your Canva application or any of the browser into your computer. Then after that, open the site of canva.com. Then this site of Canva will be opened. Now you just simply have to create a new project or open any of the existing project into your Canva. And now after opening a project into Canva, you just simply have to select this draw tool. Then after that, simply select the pen that you want to use into drawing. Now if you draw randomly, it will not be straight. Doesn't matter how hard you try to make it in a straight line. But in order to make a straight line in Canva, you can hold Shift key into keyboard and then try to draw. Then you can draw a perfectly straight line into Canva. All you have to do is to hold the Shift key into your keyboard, and after that, doesn't matter where you draw, your line will be straight. This way, by holding to the Shift key, you can easily draw a straight line into Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.